Hello students, today we'll talk about electric susceptibility and dielectric constant. Electric susceptibility is a parameter which gives us idea about the reaction of given material when we use it as dielectric between two plates of capacitor. So we'll see what is electric susceptibility and what is the significance of electric susceptibility. And also, how do we relate electric susceptibility with known parameter dielectric constant? To understand today's topic thoroughly, we should be knowing following points. We should be knowing that polarization is defined as total dipole moment per unit volume. And we should also be knowing that when we place some dielectric between two plates of capacitor, we have surface charge density on the surface of dielectric due to bound charge, which is denoted by sigma b, and the relation between polarization and sigma b is P is equal to sigma b. So with these 2 points clear, we can start with today's topic. Let us start. We know that when we insert dielectric slab between two plates of capacitor and when capacitor is charged, there is some displacement of charges taking place inside the dielectric, and hence we have dipole moment induced. If it is polar dielectric, then you will have alignment of pre-existing dipoles. If it is non-polar, then dipole moment will be induced. But ultimately we end up with this stage where we have so many dipoles aligned with the electric field. So because of this displacement, we have two electric fields produced. The free charge density sigma f, which is given as qf by a, is producing one electric field which is from left to right. We may denote it as ef, and electric field due to charges on the plate is sigma f by epsilon 0. But at the same time we have one more charge which is on the surface of dielectric slab, and the this is called bound charge. We may denote it by qb, and surface charge density due to this bound charge is given as qb by a. So this is what we already know. Now polarization is defined as total dipole moment per unit volume, and we know that this polarization is actually measure of how many dipoles we have inside dielectric slab, and these dipoles are consequence of applied electric field. So how much is the total polarization taking place depends on how much electric field we have applied. Suppose if you apply more electric field, you will have more dipole moment. So I can say that polarization is directly proportional to the applied electric field. And when you remove proportionality, you get two constant. One is epsilon 0, known constant. Other one is chi e, and that is called electric susceptibility, which depends on the material, which depends on temperature of the material. And most of the time we decide which dielectric material we should go for depending on the value of susceptibility. Thus, if we define susceptibility, we can say that chi e is polarization produced per unit electric field. The material for which polarization is proportional to the electric field are called linear dielectric, and this is not so for all the dielectrics. So those dielectrics for which polarization is not directly proportional to electric field are called non-linear dielectric. Susceptibility from this equation can be defined as polarization per unit electric field, and it is dimensionless quantity. And what does it indicate? If susceptibility is more, what we understand is polarization. You have so many dipoles produced. So it is not necessary that for this capacitor, suppose I have same amount of charge produced, and between the two plates I may insert rubber or glass or paper. Not necessary that all the materials will react in the same fashion. In some material you have more dipole moment produced, in some material you have less dipole moment produced. So looking at susceptibility, we can decide how much is the adaptation of the applied electric field by the given material. If polarization is more, we can say that many dipoles are produced, and then consequently electric field will also be more. So that is susceptibility, and the relation between susceptibility and dielectric constant is dielectric constant is equal to 1 plus susceptibility. So that is all about susceptibility. Let us conclude. In conclusion, we can say that electric susceptibility chi E is defined as polarization produced per unit electric field. It is dimensionless quantity, it has no unit, and the relation between dielectric constant and susceptibility is K is equal to 1 plus chi. So that was the topic. Thank you.